welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And today I will be showing you how to make chicken bacon ranch chicken. And this is super quick, super easy, only takes a few ingredients. And the chicken is so tender, juicy, and it's also creamy, which is a weird way to describe chicken, but it is so good and it will sure be a crowd pleaser. So the first thing we want to do for the chicken bacon ranch chicken is to coat the chicken. The oven is preheated to 375 currently, so I'm just letting that preheat. So what you'll want to do is take a chicken breast and cut off this little piece of fat here, or whatever that is. And then you'll want to place each breast in a bacon dish. Wow, it's a tiny one, but it's okay. So do that like so, and then I'm taking pepper. It's not coming out how I want it to. So I'm taking pepper. And Parmesan cheese, and I will be coating both sides of the chicken. Lots of ranch. So there's a cup. And here's 3/4. We'll just want to mix all of that together. I say all of that like it's more than 2 ingredients. Okay, so once that is mixed, you'll then take your breast and then cover it with this mixture. Then you'll want to put this in the oven, preheated at 375, and bake it for about 20 or 30 minutes. A meat thermometer should read about 150. For an extra cheesiness, I did decide to add about a cup or half a cup of Parmesan cheese on the top before I'm putting it in the oven. Alrighty, so it took a little bit longer than I expected. It took like an hour to get done. As you can see, the like burnt pieces is just the Parmesan cheese, and they do slide like right off, so no big deal there. And then since they are done, I am going to take bacon bits. You can use you can cook your own like strip bacon and then use it, but I just feel like using bacon bits just to kind of cut down on time. Ooh. Okay. Now I'm just going to sprinkle these all over the chicken, and there you go. And that is how you make quick and easy chicken bacon ranch chicken. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you make this, let me know if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.